Keep watching the video, guys. It's going to work for you. It is super cool.
What's going on, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the UMAX Pro for free. So as you can see, guys, when we go over to the settings, I'm going to show you guys, as you can see, it says upgrade to Pro. And when I press on that, I have the option to pay with developer account, which makes it free. So I'm going to do that, and now I should have it for free. So let's see if it works, guys, and hopefully it says welcome to UMAX Pro. I got all the features. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This is super cool. So let's get into the tutorial. So what you want to do, guys, is go to the website matrixmods.com. So this is a website that has a number of different like modded apps and stuff. So once you're there, guys, just find the UMAX mod, press on it, and you can read all about it. You can see it says make you feel better, premium style tweaks, and of course you get the Pro subscription. So we're gonna go ahead and press download, and it's gonna start downloading. So before it downloads, there is gonna be one more step. So let's just wait for this to load so I can show you guys how to do it. So all it is basically this verification thing. You can see it says almost there. Additional files are required for UMAX Pro. How to install, and then it says complete 2 offers. This verifies access and funds the Matrix Mods website so we can remain free. So as you can see, we got these apps, and what you want to do is download 2 of the apps and then follow the instructions. So for instance, Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Family Island, you got to reach level 11. So just make sure you guys are downloading 2 of the apps, and then you should have the UMAX Pro for free. So try this out, guys. It's super cool.